video. Let's see if El Sereno Recreation Center is a safe place to skate. This is a tennis court, kind of converted into a little flat ground skate spot, and then there's this basic basketball area, playground area, and then right opposite that is El Sereno, the skate park. Say hi to the camera. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, Kimmy?
This is Yoke.
This camera's so small.
It's a baby camera. That's Micaiah, aka Eskimo Kiss Kiss. That's Becca, aka Becca. The park is pretty full. What day is it today? Thursday? It's Thursday around 6:30 p.m. and just waiting for the park to die down, warming up with the basketball court.
I got so scared. I'm leaning so far back. Heck yeah!
Yay!
This is also the only park I've ever been to, but everyone here is pretty accepting and nice.
Yeah. Any opinions or thoughts?
Great, and everyone should come here. I'm very interested.
Woo! Boom! Woo! Anything you hate about it?
The traffic sometimes. There's a lot of people.
Yeah. There's like a
Good
bunch of
chance to meet
people.
a lot of nice people at the same time. So.
Yeah. Ooh! That was fire as hell. Oh! Yes, dude. Yes. First time I came here was actually April 19th, 2019 to be precise. And I remember that date because it was so special and it was so amazing. Everyone was super friendly. And because of my first experience here, that's what kept me skateboarding, unlike other times where I quit and I gave up. So it's a huge place. Hey. Amazing community, amazing neighborhoods. There's a huge pool over here. Like I said, there's the tennis courts if you just want to do flat ground stuff, the basketball courts, and the skate park itself. And a lot of girl skaters do come through here. It's like, in my opinion, it's kind of like a hub of meeting a lot of people or just kind of bumping into friends. So if you want to start skating, I highly recommend start at El Sereno. Just because of the space, just because of the community. It's already broken a lot of ground so far, so I'd say don't be afraid, don't feel scared. You can totally come here alone. I've been coming here alone often. There's not a lot of negative energy from the guys either. I feel like they're pretty used to seeing girls come to the park and skate and like absolutely shred. So there's that part too. In terms of intimidation factor, it's a give and take. Sometimes there are like pros there, so it is a bit intimidating. Other times there might be pros there, like Yuta Horigome was there today, and just like general dudes. And then there's like a whole bunch of girls, so then there's this sort of this balance and this like in between, and that's like more in the evening. It's a lot emptier in the morning, like most parks. But yeah, come down and feel it for yourself. Like I said, I come here a lot, and I feel pretty, I'm usually very sensitive towards my spaces. So if that isn't an indication of how safe it is there, I don't know what is. So yeah, El Sereno Recreational Center, as I'm still walking the length of it right now. Again, really, really huge. All right, y'all, it's evening and I am heading home. Catch you on the flip side. Bye.